Hey, what's up guys, welcome to Sid Tech and you're watching my review of the Xiaomi Mi Mouse. Let's get started. A big shout out to Banggood for sending this in, and as this is not officially available in India, everything is in Chinese. Sliding out the box, we have the Mi Mouse itself in this black color which looks really good. Going down further, we have the user manual, again in Chinese. Now coming to the mouse, it is made out of aluminium shell which, just like every other Xiaomi product, looks and feels nice. It is definitely not the most ergonomic mouse available, but when it comes to portability, it is really good. With its flat and sleek design, you can easily carry it in your pocket. It uses two AAA batteries which can be easily installed by removing the backplate. You will also find the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi adapter there. The mouse comes with the dual pairing mode, with which you can connect it via this 2.4 GHz adapter as well as via Bluetooth. You can switch between the two modes by pressing this button. Green light is for Wi-Fi adapter and the blue one is for Bluetooth. The left and right mouse button worked fine. You might face some difficulties in starting, but will get used to it. The scrolling wheel in the middle is just awesome, and I love to scroll through web pages via it. I also played some FPS games, and thanks to the 1200 DPI, it worked really well. But the mouse is not meant for gamers. If you are a casual gamer like me, then it is fine. Lastly, the mouse can work well on any surface, be it wood, metal or glass. So at a price of Rs 1500, if you want a portable mouse with dual pairing mode, this is a great option, go for it. But for everyone else, there are many cheaper and better options available in India. If Xiaomi launches this officially in India under Rs 1000, it would sell well. So that's it guys from this video. I hope you like it, and if you did, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. This is Siddhant signing off. Keep smiling.